What's up, ladies and gents? It's your boy MikeOfAllTrades coming at you today with a new video. So if you guys have noticed, the camera quality has gotten a little bit better on the channel, and that's because, you know, I'm sitting here and I'm using a DSLR. You know what I mean? But the problem that I'm having is that, as you guys can see, and I don't know if you noticed it a little bit, there's a little bit of delay. So before I jump out the window and order a cam link, I wanted to find a cheaper solution. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Cam Nova from Amazon. But first and foremost, let's get the other business out of the way. If you like what you see, make sure, you know what I'm saying, hit the like button, you know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel as we make our way to 1K. And yo, turn on those notifications so that you get notified anytime that my videos go live. Yo, but without further ado, yo, let's get to it. So this was on Amazon for $19.99 or whatever. So I was looking for a solution for the freaking cam link because I'm using the EOS capture utility because I have a Canon and whatever, and it's cool, you know what I mean? Like, it makes me look good, you know what I mean? But it's not as low latency as I would want it to be. I've watched tons of videos and try to key it in and everything else. So this is what it is. This is the Cam Nova. You know what I mean? It says 4K 60, but 1080p broadcasting, so that's kind of weird. I'm assuming that some people probably use this as an actual capture card. I mean, I guess we could maybe test that out. I don't know. I'm more concerned about my cam. I have capture cards. So side of the box, the other side of the box. And here's the back of it. You know what I mean? You can get people to use it for streaming because there's a PS4 console on there, Xbox One, you know what I mean? So that's probably what it means with like 1080p broadcast. I'm actually curious to see if it opens 4K. Wait a minute, hold on. As always, ASMR. Removing the packaging. Okay, that's in the trash. So yeah, so it requires you to have a i5 or some equivalent, NVIDIA GT 630. Okay, I just want to say it again. An NVIDIA GT 630 or above, and 4 gigs of RAM. So I don't know if this thing was designed to run back in like 2007 maybe. Anyway, as always, you guys get the first look at the box. Don't want to rip the box in case I gotta return this gimmick and it doesn't work, or give it away. I don't know. It's a box in a box. All right, cool. There. So box in the box. All right, cool. Let's see. It opens like this. So yeah, you guys get the first look, and here we go. Okay. All right. So what do we got in the box? It comes with an HDMI cable. Interesting. It comes with another HDMI cable and the device itself, which, yeah, it looks like a thumb drive, flash drive. You know, I heard a debate yesterday with a lady in a store, and I'm saying in Walmart, and she's like, I'm looking for a thumb drive, a flash drive, thumb drive. He's like, yeah, flash drives. And the dude's like, flash drives. She's like, no, a thumb drive. And he's like, they're the same thing, man. So whatever. And then toilet paper manual. And why is this on the bottom? That's on the bottom. That should be on top, protecting everything. Whatever. So like I said, there's HDMI cables. This one is an HDMI to an HDMI, so this one's full size. But why would they do two? So I'm assuming the other one must be HDMI to HDMI mini. I just ripped the bag and just realized, yo, it's a zip bag. I just did that. Look at that. I've killed plastic. All right, yeah. So there's an HDMI mini to a regular HDMI. So let's see. You guys want to see the manual and stuff? Oh, it folds out. Okay, cool. And for those who don't like to read, it has picture displays. It's like, hey, this is what you do. Blue light on. Blue light will turn on when the device is connected to the computer and the OBS software is activated and ready for use. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna get into that. So like I said, I'm gonna use this for my cam. Hopefully this is good, and I will I'll be back as soon as we get this thing connected, and hopefully it works. Fingers crossed, right? Also, while I was doing this, I forgot to mention this thing works on Windows, Linux, and Mac. Although apparently with Mac you have to jump through some hoops. So just wanted to put that out there. Now we'll be right back. So the next step in this thing is that they tell you that you need to update the drivers. So it's located under the sound and video game controllers. It's right there in the Cam Nova. You try to update the drivers right now, and the best drivers are installed. So I didn't have to update anything. They came automatically like the box. Just thought there was something you guys should know, just in case, you know, it's not working maybe. But let's go hook it up. I promise you this time, the next time you see it, it'll be connected. Okay, so this is what we come back to. It's showing, it's pretty much pulling the display and stuff for my camera and whatnot. But what I'm gonna do, it works. Like, look at that. Like, that's crazy. It works. I'm gonna figure out how to remove that display and stuff real fast. So, I mean, we'll be right back. Look at that. Like, there's no delay. Like, that's crazy. It's great. Hold on. Let me fix this and let's see if we can make this even better. Okay, guys, we're back. And yeah, so this is the video footage from the Cam Nova. You know, hopefully this doesn't look washed out in in post, but yeah, like, it looks really good. It makes me look really good too, you know what I mean? But yeah, this little $20 thing, it's not, you know what I mean, it's not a stream link or a cam link or whatever. I call it a stream link. It's early. But, you know, for all intents and purposes, it's doing, you know, what it's supposed to do. It's got me zoomed in, it's auto-focusing, there's no lag. Look at that. Woo! I mean, like, that's great. I'm sorry. Like, you guys understand, like, yo, if you've used the EOS utility, it's really lagtatious, you know what I mean? But yeah, like, I think it looks good. Like I said, it looks, in my opinion, looks really good. And I don't have delay. Like I said, more importantly, I can turn like this. Prepare for trouble, make it double. But yeah, like, it's going and everything else. Look, I'll leave a link for it in the description, you know what I mean? Future Mike cutting in real quick. So completely forgot to mention this, but if you're using like an older like Canon or something like that, like a Rebel like T4i or T3 or some older kind of camera that's going to show the grids and whatnot and the display even after you hit an info button and turn it off, you're gonna need to download something called Magic Lantern. It's free, it's not harmful, and you know what I mean, like, they give you a warning, but there haven't been any like instances of like breaking a camera or something like that. So just wanted to let you know that while I was sitting here thinking about it. Back to the video. So if you guys want, yo, give it a look, check it out, you know what I mean? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm MikeOfAllTrades, you know what I mean? Make sure to smash that like button, you know, subscribe to the channel, you know, turn on your notifications for more content, because we're approaching E3 season, and it's part of the reason why I wanted to have a good looking cam, because I'm excited about video games and new tech from video games and new arcades. Anyway, I'm MikeOfAllTrades. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, man, I'll catch you on the later. Last one, not the last one, the next one. I'm not editing that out. Later.